Hello and welcome back. This is the last alternate project from the November 2022 paper pumpkin kit called From the North Pole. I have got a garden green card base and I've used the background paper from the Painted Christmas DSP. So this is what I've got going on here. And so this is my designer series paper, and that piece that all of our banners came out of, I've already used one of the pieces to make one of the other cards. I cut all the frame off to make little strips. So what I'm going to do is I've already stamped the greeting on the tag, the Express Delivery North Pole. So what I'm going to do, this is super quick, super easy. Just going to put all of this down with some Stampin' Seal like this. Again, lining everything up to make sure it's square and even. There we go. So again, this is just a 5 1/4 by 4. I'm going to take my greeting and I'm just going to run a couple of lines of adhesive across the back of it like this. Now I want this to be on a slight angle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my strips, making sure they're kind of equal, and just this needs to be just off center like that. So there we go. And then I'm going to take the next one. I want to do the center ones first so that I can space them out. And now that I know where that one is, I needed to kind of line up and get my register that way. So I'm just going to turn it over and place these down like this. And then I'm doing it so that on one side my strips go one way, so the angle is one way, and I've put this one in the wrong place. This one needs to go in the center like this. There we go. And then this one is shorter and can go to the outside. It's not a lot shorter, it's just a little bit shorter. And it can go to the outside like that. And then, which one of these is longer? Okay, so this one again is going to go to the outside. This one is going to go to the inside. And again, I've got those angles going in the two different directions. And then I'm going to pop this one down like this. There we go. So that's all adhered down. So it's going to go on the card like this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my edge pieces and I'm going to put them across the back. This does two things. It dimensionalizes the greeting, including the glittery strips so they stand out from the paper, and it locks everything in place. Just gonna make sure that's not coming off the end there like that. So let's go ahead. This is a great way to use up all your edge pieces on your dimensionals. And I'm going to do one more piece over here to lock that one down. Okay, so let's go ahead and take our backings off. There we go. There we go. And like that. And then we can pop this down. You can put ribbon behind it if you want to. And I purposely wanted this just a little bit offset to make the action of the deer jumping like that. I'm just going to pop that right down like that. And because we've dimensionalized the glitter, it lifts them up off the page, and so you can really see them. So this is super quick, super easy to do. If you've got one paper pumpkin kit, you can probably just do one of these because you need to cut the frame pieces out of your leftover from your glitter banners. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this run of paper pumpkin for November 2022, and let's create together again soon.